Welcome to Wayside Kitchen's latest project, a lovely kitchen remodel in Marlboro, Massachusetts. Today we will take you on a tour of this incredible transformation, showcasing the remarkable changes made to turn an outdated 1994 kitchen into a modern and functional space. Let's take a look. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. We are your source for beautiful kitchens right here in the heart of Littleton, Massachusetts. I am looking to become your favorite kitchen designer in Massachusetts and beyond. So, what did our team do to breathe new life into this kitchen? We invite you to join us for an exclusive virtual tour of this exquisite kitchen remodel. Let's explore this before and after. The homeowners reached out to Wayside Kitchens after being impressed by our previous work on their bathrooms a few years back. They wanted the same high-quality products and expertise applied to their new kitchen remodel. First, we started by redesigning the space. We moved appliances to create room for a small island, maximizing the kitchen's functionality and flow. Next, we replaced the old oak cabinets with beautiful inset cabinetry by Shiloh Cabinets in the paint color Mindful Gray. These cabinets not only offer timeless charm, but also provide ample storage solutions. But we didn't stop there. We added a beautiful white statuario style stone countertops and full backsplash in the suede finish, which is equivalent to a home finish that add a gorgeous feel of sophistication to the space. Our team worked diligently to ensure that every detail was executed perfectly, and the end results are simply breathtaking. We utilized every inch of the space and added cabinetry near the back door for storage and a bonus coffee bar that the homeowners love. Now they have a place to make coffee in the mornings and enjoy their beautiful new kitchen. We hope that you have enjoyed this tour of our kitchen remodel in Marlboro, Massachusetts. If you're looking to transform your own kitchen, don't hesitate to reach out to Wayside Kitchens. Our team is ready to turn your kitchen dreams into a reality. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.